This whole issue over Delhi, 2 days after the Congress received a spectacular drubbing, the churn has begun within the party. It seems to be in disarray and has been looking for answers, but is it asking the right questions? UPA's former law minister has joined Manishankar Iyer in raising questions about the party's functioning. Manishankar Iyer believed that Rahul Gandhi alone could reboot the struggling Congress and reinvent it. Ashwini Kumar went a step further, questioning the politics of Dole's, in a sense, Sonianomics, as it's been called by the critics. He says Rahul Gandhi must recognize the challenge before the party.
Mr. Manishankar Iyer is with us. Sir, do you think it's high time that the party needs re-engineering?
Yes, of course. It's been high time since 1985 when Rajiv Gandhi said that these people have become brokers of power who ride on the backs of the poor and have enmeshed the party in their vice-like grip. These are words from his speech in 1985. And where? At the Congress centenary. And who was the audience? It was the same brokers of power. So we have needed to reform ourselves to become a party of the 21st century, at least for the last 30 years. And now, but every time we keep winning elections. And when we win elections, then the same people who are around the leadership, they say, well, we won, so what do you want to change? So if we are obliged, as we have been in Tamil Nadu, we've not been in power for 47 years. But we've done nothing about it. The party structure remains the same as it was. So we'll continue losing for the next 47 years. But if what Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly stated as being his priority in his agenda, if we begin work on that now, in the immediate aftermath of this defeat, then irrespective of what are the results of the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, we will win the Lok Sabha elections in 2015. Because if the Congress loses in 2014, then all these jokers will get together and we'll have the tumble down effect that we've seen again and again from 1990, 1996. So we will have to face another election after 2014, maybe in 2015 or 16, and that's plenty of time to reorganize the party.
And one of the important factors that I think will be determined by the introspection team will be the way we conduct our politics in states. Too much alienation within the party, too many competing political ambitions in the states is something which is a function of party management, and we have got to get it right. So I think the leadership will take due note of all the reasons that led to this crushing defeat, as you say.
What is your suggestion to Rahul Gandhi? Because after UP, this is one election campaign where he was fully responsible.
We need to strengthen our communication strategy. Quite clearly, we need to strengthen our ability to work the new media, the social media. Quite clearly, we need to have a blend of experience and youth, and quite clearly, we need a credible leadership in the states. Quite clearly, our electoral strategy has not paid dividends. Quite clearly, there's a need for further introspection.